In this video, I will show you how to change profile picture on Pinterest 2022. First thing what you need to do is to launch application, and as you get done with all that stuff, you need to go right here into your profile selection on your account. And as you get on that point, the main section right here, it is to tap on your profile setting or on the three dots on your right upper side. As you get right there, here you can find out that option, which will take you to edit public profile, the second selection, and simply tap on your profile icon, go update profile picture, the first side section, and from here you can simply go and change it. I'm gonna go with this one, and as you get done with all that stuff, or for example with this one, it doesn't matter. What matter right now, it is to get to your side screen, which is available for your site. Just go done when you're ready. And as you can see right away, uploading your profile picture, please wait. And as you can see right now, we have got it.